And back in the Des Moines area today, Polk County Public Works collected storm debris in Pleasant Hill. They asked debris to be cut to 6 feet in length and placed between the curb and the sidewalk. Only tree and vegetation debris will be collected by the city. Well, as they work in Pleasant Hill to pick up their community, several homeowners are doing what they can to help one another during this difficult time. Local 5's Megan McPherson is live in Pleasant Hill, where the tornado touched down Friday. Megan, you were there over the weekend. You're checking in with homeowners as they began to clean up. How are they doing tonight?
Stephanie, several members of this neighborhood are still in shock as an EF2 tornado tore directly through this block that you can see behind me here. As you mentioned, Polk County cleanup crews were out here for the majority of the day, sorting through these large piles of debris. As you can see behind me here, community members put their debris that they wanted cleaned up out on the road, and crews are still working to get it cleaned up. Neighbors also tell me that the past few days have been long and emotional, but they're doing all they can to come together and help each other clean up in the aftermath.
In a matter of minutes Friday night, everything changed for this quiet Pleasant Hill neighborhood.
The house was just shaking, and then you hear some broken glass, and about as quick as it started, it was over.
3 days have passed, but the chaos and commotion of that night is still fresh in neighbors' minds.
I heard a loud boom and then just glass breaking, so I knew I'd been hit.
Rose Ostrand's house, one of many that sustained major damage from an EF2 tornado.
51 years.
That's how long Ostrand has called this neighborhood home.
I've never had damage like this.
The storm wiped out her front yard, taking a large oak tree with it. This is all that's left.
When I got a chance to go back upstairs, I looked out the patio window, and I saw my car with no garage.
Ostrand lives alone, but in her time of need, next-door neighbor Tyler Luft was there.
Tyler comes and gets me and walks me through all the debris to my house, and he's got me by the arm.
They've lived side by side for nearly a decade, sharing a special bond that shines through.
So he and his family have been helping a whole lot. I don't know what I'd do without them.
Cleanup on this block could take days or even weeks, but these neighbors say they'll get through it by leaning on one another.
And Stephanie, the biggest thing that I took away from my conversation with Rose and Tyler earlier today, damage can be cleaned up, property can be replaced, but human lives cannot. Fortunately, no one on this block was seriously injured as a result of the tornado. I'll continue to follow the cleanup efforts here in the coming days. Live in Pleasant Hill tonight, Megan McPherson, Local 5 News.